For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Indian-based Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited recently launched Coronal tablets that claims to cure coronavirus. Yoga guru Baba Ramdev launched Coronal tablet, an Ayurvedic medicinal treatment for COVID-19 patients. However, the Ayurvedic tablet has not been received well by several states. Even as Baba Ramdev claimed 100% recovery rate, the governments have raised questions over its effectiveness. The Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra government has warned against the use of Coronal tablets to treat COVID-19 patients in the state. Maharashtra government said it will not encourage the sale of spurious medicines in the state until it is approved by the medical body. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh issued a stern warning against the sale of Coronal tablets.
आयुष डिपार्टमेंट ने बताया कि इस प्रकार की कोई भी परमिशन केंद्र शासन के आयुष डिपार्टमेंट ने उनको दी नहीं है और जब तक केंद्र शासन की परमिशन नहीं मिलती इस प्रकार की वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट गलत एडवर्टाइजमेंट या मिसलीडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट वो नहीं कर सकते और उस प्रकार की उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में मिसलीडिंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने की कोशिश की तो उनके ऊपर गुनाह दाखिल महाराष्ट्र में किया जाएगा।
Maharashtra government will wait for a nod from the National Institute of Medical Sciences, Jaipur, over the tablet's effectiveness.
The National Institute of Medical Sciences, Jaipur, will find out whether clinical trials of Ayurveda Coronal were done at all. An abundant warning to Baba Ramdev that Maharashtra won't allow sale of spurious medicines.
The Uttarakhand government has also not allowed the sale of Patanjali's coronavirus tablets. The Uttarakhand government issued a notice to Patanjali for claiming that the drug will cure COVID-19. The Uttarakhand government has asked Patanjali Ayurved to provide details of the name and composition of the medicine. Patanjali must also submit protocol, sample size, institutional ethics committee clearance, CTRI registration and case study details. The Rajasthan government too has banned the sale of Coronal tablets. Rajasthan Health Minister Raghu Sharma said the medicine cannot be used to treat COVID-19 patients until they receive a nod from the Ayush Ministry.
According to the Gazette notification issued by the Government of India in April this year, under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 and 1945, no Ayurvedic medicine can be sold as a medicine for corona infection during COVID-19 pandemic without the approval of Union Ministry of Ayush.
Patanjali has claimed that the clinical control trial found that over 69% of the patients recovered in 3 days. Patanjali claimed the clinical trial of Coronal was conducted by Patanjali Research Institute and NIMS. The yoga guru claimed 100% recovery rate among all patients in 7 days without a fatality.